So today let us try to understand forensic investigation, their techniques. So it's just a wonderful field where let us try to discuss their phases and their key concepts. Okay. So yeah, as we know, forensic investigation, it's a very complex and multidisciplinary field, right? So it plays a very crucial role in solving crimes and supporting legal proceedings. So overall, guys, in simple words, digital forensics, they are used to investigate cybercrime. Okay. So yes, as you know, I have mentioned three techniques here. Before going with the techniques, let me just help you with the definition using my note here. So when it comes to digital forensics, under cybersecurity, okay, so digital forensics, they are used to investigate cybercrime. Okay. So always try to remember this type digital forensics, they are used in order to investigate cybercrime, that too by the recovered data. Okay. It may be from your computer system or your smartphone or through your drives, whichever it may be, found from crime scene. They used to, these all the recovered data using through this, they're gonna investigate cybercrime. So overall forensic science, it's the use of science in order to address legal issues where both law and science are closely connected. Okay, so in the world of digitalization and growing technologies era, the need and importance of this digital forensics and cybersecurity is increasing day by day. Yeah. So in this video, we'll try to cover the topics like what is this digital forensics under cybersecurity, where actually this digital forensics under cybersecurity is being used, okay, and what are all the phases, how actually it is being used in investigation, everything we'll try to understand. Okay, so firstly, let me just explain you what actually this digital forensics in cybersecurity. If they ask you in simple words, we just can say it's a branch of cybersecurity which mainly focuses on investigation of cybercrime cases. Okay, so digital forensics, they're gonna cover digital forensics, it recover, store the collected data securely to analyze and find the evidences from digital devices. Okay, so let me just help you here with a simple definition. So digital forensics, it recover and store the collected data very securely in order to analyze and find the evidences from digital devices. So guys, these respective digital forensics, they can be widely used. Okay. So they can be used in wide range cases. Sometimes, it includes cybercrime, criminal investigations, so under frauds. So these digital forensic investigations that can bring out, you know, very crucial information after cyber attacks, okay, which can be very helpful during the hearing process in the court of the law. So now the first thing what I would like to help you is why this digital, forensics in cybersecurity is being used. There can be a question, right? So digital forensics, they are used to gather electronic evidence, which is very much important. Okay. So we can gather electronic evidence, we can gather assets, we can gather data from digital assets. Okay. And even from digital devices, from systems or the internet. It is also used to retrieve and analyze all the respective information with using some key steps and proper steps. So digital forensics, they are used to investigate cyber attacks, data breaches, and intellectual property, theft, fraud, and any other criminal activities we can easily investigate. So if you want to identify the cause and reason behind the cyber attacks, if you want to rectify the attacks, if you want to protect the digital evidence before its vulnerability get exploited, if you want to track back the hacker's footprints, if you want to determine if the data was read or stolen, if he has tried to steal your data, if you want to determine the period during which the network was illegally accessed, if you want to trace the login activities of the hacker to trace their origin, yes, it is possible under this digital forensics. Okay. These are the applications of digital forensics under cybersecurity. So now there can be a question how? How actually digital forensics we used in investigation, right? So there are some flaws. Again, there are some phases. First phases, they'll try to obtain, okay, and they try to imaging forensic data. So imaging is very much important and very crucial step. So whenever a forensic examiner, he investigates a case, so the purpose of imaging is to copy and create a replica of every single bit of original data. Okay, to use it for further analysis. So while ensuring that original data that remains untouched, right? So these ensures the integrity there. Okay, so obtaining and imaging a respective data. And then forensic request. So here what happens is, it's a request in order to investigate a case within a given outline. Okay, there will be a methodology, there will be a authority, there will be a purpose. So within those expected deliverables, we need to, investigate a case. Okay. And then we also have a preparation and extraction. So preparation in digital forensic is very important phase. We have to be prepared and we need to test using some necessary tools. Okay. So we need to ensure some legal requirements which has been met or not. So proper documentation has to be maintained. So what? Some steps has to be taken by examiners in order to have better understanding about the investigation. So it's a very crucial step under preparation because after the extraction of data, which contains that may contain some system files, that may contain some deleted files, right? So it's a very important phase here. So here we also have identification. So identification of relevant data from the extracted data, it may include files, logs, mails, any other data. Identification is also very much important phase because it helps us, to speed up the process. It helps us to speed up the process and to solve the case quickly. And further, analysis. We need to analyze the respective identified data in order to find the hidden evidence and pattern. We need to analyze about who created any modified files we have, okay, under application, where actually it is found, when it has been created, who has been sent, everything. When actually the specific file has been transmitted, everything has to be analyzed. Then we have forensic reporting. Okay, under reporting, you need to create a detailed report about the case findings. You need to use tools, methodologies, proper conclusion should be there, proper documentation has to be presentable, under this forensic reporting. Finally, we have case level analysis. So final analysis, by studying and reviewing the case again with all the findings and evidence, you need to be proceeded. Okay. So to made, and you need to made it understand properly with a proper final conclusion here. So overall, they can ask you what all the skills are needed for digital forensics and cybersecurity. So digital forensic investigator, he should have a better understanding of computer system, programming language, OS, software networks, computer software and hardware, and the investigator should have the skill of skills to use forensic tools also, because he's the one who is going to extract the data from the devices, and he has to have the ability he needs to have that ability to analyze the cybercrime cases, and he's the one who used to document all the findings, and he should be good in presenting also, so that he also, we used to check his presentation skills also. He should have, he should be good at his presentation skills. So tools, when it comes to digital forensic tools, I would recommend, you know let me just go with the new page and recommend you the new tools here. Autopsy, and I also have FTK Imager. It's a forensic toolkit. NCAS, Wireshark. We also have NCAS, Wireshark, email forensic, bulk extractor, cybertrack. So these are the respective digital forensic tools, because they are used in order to extract and identify, also to analyze the respective cybercrime cases. So we use so many digital forensic tools. Which forensic examiner, yeah, he gonna use. Mainly, these are the known tools and very important tools. Okay, so let me quickly share the slides over here. So as you can see, yes, we have to examine, we have to discover the respective malware, and we need to check, always collect the evidences, proper evidences, and try to go in deep analysis. And we need to respect the timeline of the incident, and also try to examine the malware and their capabilities, their behaviors, each and everything. Okay, so this is the end of forensic investigation technique. Hope you got to know everything. Thank you so much.